Are you ready to take control of your finances and start saving big? If you're tired of letting your money slip through your fingers, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Wealthway, and today we're diving into the world of frugal living, inspired by the financial guru himself, Dave Ramsey. These 12 frugal living habits can help you save thousands and get your financial house in order. Stick around till the end because habit number 9 is a game changer. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ditch automatic subscriptions. Automatic subscriptions may seem convenient, but they can silently erode your budget. It's time to take a critical look at your subscriptions. Ask yourself, do you genuinely need all of them? It's easy for these expenses to stack up and drain your finances. Consider cutting down on services you don't actively use, and don't forget to disable the auto-renew feature. Your wallet will appreciate the relief as you regain control over your financial life. 2. Stop eating out. Eating out is a common budget buster that can devour your savings without you realizing it. Here's a starting fact. If you dine out every day, spending around $13.70 per meal, you're shelling out $5,000 annually. The average American household spends nearly $3,000 each year on dining out. Embrace the habit of cooking more at home and packing your lunches. Not only will you save over $200 a month, but you'll also develop your culinary skills and enjoy healthier, home-cooked meals. 3. Use cash. In our increasingly cashless society, using physical money might feel old-fashioned, but studies reveal its power. Paying with cash makes you more conscious of your spending. It's like a reality check, ensuring you spend only what you have, free from credit card fees and interest. When you part with cash, you instantly feel the impact on your finances, making it a more effective way to control your spending. It's a simple yet powerful tool to avoid debt and make more mindful purchase decisions. 4. Avoid credit cards. Dave Ramsey's advice on credit cards is straightforward. Avoid them altogether. Credit cards can be tempting but also treacherous. When you swipe a credit card, you're essentially spending money you don't have. Over time, this can lead to mounting debt and a lot of financial stress. The solution? Cut up your credit cards and focus on using your own cash. By doing this, you'll sidestep the dangerous cycle of borrowing and find financial peace of mind. 5. Buy generic brands. A simple yet effective frugal living habit is to ditch the name brands and opt for generic alternatives. Often, there's little to no difference in quality, and the savings can be substantial. When grocery shopping, consider choosing generic items for products like milk, spices, produce, and even cooking oils. These everyday switches can lead to significant cost reductions over time while maintaining the quality you expect. By choosing generic brands, you not only save money, but also discover that quality doesn't always come with a high price tag. 6. Make a budget. One of the fundamental pillars of financial success is creating a budget. Dave Ramsey recommends the concept of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar you earn serves a purpose. This meticulous budgeting technique provides a clear view of where your money goes and enables you to align your spending with your values and priorities. By tracking your spending and income, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and redirect those funds towards more meaningful goals. A well-structured budget empowers you to make informed financial decisions, paving the way for a brighter financial future. 7. Avoid debt. Debt can be a relentless barrier to building wealth and achieving financial peace. Monthly debt payments consume a significant portion of your income. Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method offers an efficient way to tackle this challenge. By focusing on paying off your smallest debts first, you gain a sense of achievement that motivates you to tackle larger ones. Eliminating debt opens up your financial future, allowing you to direct your income towards savings and investments. For those already debt-free, the key is to continue avoiding debt and enjoy the financial freedom it brings. 8. Lower cell phone costs. Your cell phone plan can be a hidden source of overspending. Take a close look at your plan and consider where you might cut back. You might not need that expensive data plan or warranty. Contact your provider to negotiate a lower bill or explore the possibility of switching to a more cost-effective plan. Additionally, resist the urge to upgrade your phone regularly. If your current device functions well, skipping the latest model can translate to substantial savings. By optimizing your cell phone expenses, you'll keep more money in your pocket. 9. Use your library card. Your local library is a treasure trove of savings. Libraries have evolved to meet modern needs, offering not only books but also digital downloads, music, audiobooks, online subscriptions, and more. Some libraries even provide equipment rentals, like camping gear. Before making a purchase, whether for entertainment or information, visit your local library. You might be pleasantly surprised by the wealth of resources they offer, all at no cost. Using your library card can result in significant savings while enriching your life with an array of experiences and knowledge. 10. Sell what you don't need. Declutter your living spaces and make extra money by selling items you no longer use. Many of us accumulate more belongings than we need. Take a stroll around your home, exploring your basement, garage, or storage areas, and identify items that could find new homes. Online marketplaces make it easy to sell these items, converting clutter into cash. This practice not only simplifies your life by reducing clutter, but also provides a financial boost. It's a win-win solution that brings order to your surroundings while bolstering your savings. 11. Set up automatic savings. Automating your savings can be a game changer for your financial well-being. By establishing automatic transfers from your bank account to your savings or investment accounts, you ensure that money is consistently set aside without you needing to think about it. This not only facilitates disciplined saving, but also shields you from impulse spending, as the funds are moved out of reach before you can touch them. With automated savings, your wealth can steadily grow, even without your active involvement. It's a simple yet powerful habit that secures your financial future. 12. Hunt for discounts. Before making any purchase, cultivate the habit of seeking out discounts. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, it's worth your time to scout for deals, check flyers, explore online discount websites, and leverage discount shopping apps to uncover the best bargains. When you're shopping in person, don't hesitate to ask for discounts or inquire about available promotions. By making this practice a regular part of your spending routine, you'll consistently save money on your purchases. Discounts are like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, and they can significantly contribute to your overall savings. And there you have it, 12 frugal living habits inspired by the one and only Dave Ramsey. Implement these habits, and you'll watch your savings grow. Which one is your favorite? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Take control of your finances and watch your wealth grow. Until next time.